Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to fix mobile data, cellular data not working iOS 13 and iOS 14 beta. So let's start the video. Tip number 1. Reset mobile data network. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap mobile data. On the mobile data page, tap on mobile data network. Scroll down, tap on reset setting, then again tap. Tip number 2. Select 4G LTE. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, tap on mobile data. On the mobile data page, tap on mobile data option. Tap on voice and data and select 4G. Tip number 3. Reset network setting. This process reset your Wi-Fi network and password, APN and VPN settings and cellular settings. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down and tap Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down and tap Reset. On the Reset page, tap on Reset Network Setting. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if prompted. Again tap on Reset Network Settings in the pop-up window to confirm this process. Tip number 4. Restart your iPhone. Open the control center and turn off cellular data. Open the setting app on your iPhone. On the setting page, scroll down, tap on Journal. On the Journal page, scroll down, tap on Shutdown. Now shut down your iPhone. Thanks for watching.